Hello everyone, and welcome to this TEMS investigation tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into scripting FTP download tests using the Service Control Script Designer. This is a crucial step in data service testing, so let's get started. In this section, we'll set up an FTP download as an example of a data service activity. We'll use the data connection configuration we created earlier. Add a network connect activity and associate it with the test config1 configuration set created in the network connection setup. Next, add a network disconnect activity at the bottom of the workflow to take down the network connection. The FTP session is handled by the FTP download activity. Insert this activity between the network connect and disconnect activities. Create a configuration set representing the FTP server and how to access it. Follow the same process as before for creating configurations. Next, reference the FTP server configuration from the FTP download activity. Now, let's script the FTP download tests using the configured activities. Set up parameters like FTP IP 10.186.97.194, username XXXX, and password XXXX in the FTP server configuration. Next, specify the download file paths and other relevant settings in the FTP download activity. And next, save the script. Finally, let's test the FTP download functionalities. Run the script in TEMS investigation. Observe the FTP session being established, files being downloaded, and the session being terminated. And there you have it. You've successfully scripted FTP download tests using TEMS Investigation Service Control Script Designer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TEMS investigation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.